Welcome to Althea Reads. We're going to read a story and have questions at the end. Mia sat on the mat. She had a big box. "Open it," said Mom. Mia lifted the lid. A kitten sat inside. "It is a cat," said Mia. The cat hid in the box. "Come out, Pip," said Mia. The kitten ran and hid under the bed. Mia got a red ball. "Come and play, Pip." Pip bit the ball. Pip batted the ball. Pip ran and jumped. Pip had fun. Mia hummed a song. Pip purred. "You are my pet," said Mia. These are the comprehension questions. What was in the box? A. A dog. B. A kitten. Or C. A fish? B. A kitten. What did the kitten do first? A. Ran under the bed. B. Jumped on the chair. Or C. Climbed on Mia? A. Ran under the bed. What color was the ball? A. Blue. B. Red. Or C. Yellow? B. Red. How did Pip feel at the end? A. Mad. B. Happy. C. Sleepy. B. Happy. The short vowels you learned today are sat, hid, bit. The blends you learned today are lifted, batted. The CVC words you learned are pet, bed, ran. Read, imagine, and grow, one page at a time. Like, share, and subscribe.